Hey everyone, and welcome back to this video talking about Midjourney and all of its capabilities that it can do. So in this video, we're going to talk about the reroll and the remix functions of Midjourney. So as you can see, I've just been messing around, typing in different prompts, seeing what works. I'm absolutely loving what is coming out. Midjourney is just amazing. So let's talk about the reroll button. So you can see that I've put in my prompt, goddess in war with blonde hair riding Pegasus. So these pictures have been generated and I think they look absolutely incredible. She looks such an awesome warrior. I'm loving her armor. She just looks awesome. So I'm loving those. But if we didn't like the pictures, what we could do is press this button here, which is the reroll function. So what you're effectively doing is saying to Midjourney that I don't like any of the images you've created. Please, can you create me some more with the same prompt? So Midjourney is then going to resubmit the prompt and then regenerate you some images, hopefully with something that you like. Okay, amazing. So we've had these new images created. I think she just looks incredible, so amazing. So yeah, really loving those pictures. And then I'm just going to talk you through the remix button. So if we do settings and then we press enter twice, then here we go, this is going to bring up our settings. So as you can see, we've got this button here that says remix mode. So if we press the remix mode, amazing, so that is now enabled. And the remix mode is when you want to do variations of a prompt that you've done, it brings up the prompt already so you can add to it. So let's go up to these images here and let's pick one that we like. So I'm going to go, I think, with square 2. So if we do variations of 2, as you can see, it has brought up our prompt for us so we can then add to the prompt. So I have now added to the prompt, and then to help, get that exact image that you want, you can then keep adding to the prompt to be getting those, that image and sort of defining like what you really want. Midjourney might add something that you kind of didn't expect. And then, you can sort of go from there type thing. Amazing. Okay, so Midjourney has generated us and let's have a look. So amazing. It has produced some fantastic images. So you can see we've got some sort of soldiers, war going on, lots of chaos in the background here, lots of fire, ember. They look amazing. So if you wanted to add, so let's pick one. So let's say we're going to, I quite like square 1. So let's say we wanted to then do variations of this one. Our prompt has come up again, so then we can keep adding to it and then, really getting that exact image that we want. So these are just a couple more tools that Midjourney have to offer that are just amazing and can really help you produce those images that you want. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel and we appreciate it so much. Have a great day and I will see you in the next one.